when planning and managing data collection for research projects. One of the most crucial steps is ensuring that your electronic data capture, or EDC system, is not only capturing high-quality data, but that it also allows for efficient export and analysis. After you've established solid data entry processes and designed your forms, the next step is to focus on how to extract data from your system in a format that is both usable and secure. Exporting data for analysis. In any EDC system, it's essential to be able to export data in a format that can be easily used for statistical analysis. When preparing data for export, users with appropriate permissions can select specific fields, forms, or individual data elements to export. Once selected, the system will provide a dataset formatted for use with common statistical software. This ensures that data is easily accessible and compatible with a variety of analysis tools, which is critical for conducting robust statistical evaluations. Additionally, some systems provide options for de-identification as part of the export process. This can include features such as date shifting or obfuscating identifiers, which helps ensure the privacy of study participants while still allowing for data analysis. While not all research teams require this feature, it can be vital for certain studies that need to meet strict privacy regulations, such as HIPAA or other ethical guidelines related to data confidentiality. Secure data transfer. Once the data has been exported, secure methods for transferring the data between team members and collaborators are essential. Many EDC systems include secure data transfer mechanisms, allowing users to send files safely without the risk of interception or unauthorized access. This can include secure upload and download features, ensuring that both raw data files and statistical outputs can be shared among research teams, even if they are located at different sites. Maintaining audit trails. Another key component of any EDC system is the ability to track and review audit trails. These logs capture details about who accessed or modified data and when these actions occurred. While audit trails may not seem critical for day-to-day data entry, they're invaluable when it comes to verifying data integrity, adhering to ethical standards, and ensuring regulatory compliance. For example, if a question arises about a specific data set, having the ability to track which team members made certain changes or viewed specific records can provide clarity and accountability. Moreover, audit trails are crucial when submitting studies for institutional review or for regulatory approvals. They demonstrate that proper procedures were followed in managing sensitive data, which can be essential when seeking approval from regulatory bodies or review boards. Managing user access is a critical aspect of any data management system. In a robust EDC system, user permissions can be customized at various levels. Research teams can assign different levels of access to different team members, ensuring that individuals can only view or modify the data that is relevant to their role. Permissions can be set at the level of individual forms, or even down to specific fields within a form, allowing for granular control over who can access or edit sensitive information. For example, a user might be granted read-only access to some forms, edit access to others, and no access to particular sections of the study. This kind of control is important for maintaining data security and ensuring that sensitive information is only accessible by authorized individuals. One of the key benefits of an effective EDC system is that it should be intuitive and user-friendly. Research teams should have the ability to create and manage data collection forms with minimal reliance on IT support. Many systems provide point-and-click interfaces that allow non-technical users to build, customize, and test forms without needing programming expertise. This autonomy is especially valuable in projects where speed and flexibility are crucial. For instance, a researcher can quickly create a new study, either from scratch or by using pre-built templates that match common study types such as randomized controlled trials or cohort studies. These templates often include pre-configured settings like randomization or scheduling, allowing the research team to focus on the study design rather than getting bogged down in technical setup. Handling complex studies, data dictionaries, and bulk management. For larger studies with numerous data points, managing data collection efficiently can become challenging. In such cases, creating a data dictionary is a best practice. A data dictionary defines all the data elements being collected, the types of data, and any coding schemes, such as yes, no options, or categorical values. This metadata can be stored in a file, like an Excel spreadsheet, and imported into the EDC system, making it easier to manage large data sets or replicate study structures across multiple sites. The ability to export, modify, and re-import the data dictionary streamlines the process of managing and maintaining large, complex studies. It also allows for better collaboration between research teams, especially when data dictionaries can be shared across institutions or research sites. Utilizing validated instruments. When designing data collection forms, researchers should leverage validated instruments whenever possible. Validated tools are standardized measures that have been tested for reliability and accuracy, and using them can help ensure that the data you collect is of the highest quality. Many EDC systems have built-in libraries that allow researchers to easily import validated instruments into their study forms. These libraries often include metadata, licensing information, and validation documentation to ensure compliance with ethical and regulatory standards. For studies involving human subjects, it is also important to ensure that all required documents, like consent forms and participant information sheets, are securely stored and easily accessible. An EDC system typically provides a file repository where these documents can be uploaded and organized, ensuring that all study-related materials are in one central location. Reducing training time with interactive support. A significant benefit of a well-designed EDC system is that it should minimize the time and resources needed to train staff. By using inline video tutorials and interactive help features embedded directly within the system, research teams can receive just-in-time guidance when they need it. For instance, if a user is unsure about how to complete a certain task, like exporting data or managing user permissions, a short targeted video can walk them through the process step by step without requiring them to refer to a separate manual or training document. This approach has been shown to be more effective than traditional written instructions, as users can quickly view the solution to their problem at the exact moment they encounter it. This reduces the likelihood of confusion and follow-up questions, making the data collection process more efficient. Summary. A well-designed electronic data capture system does more than just collect data. It empowers research teams to manage, analyze, and share data securely and efficiently. Key features to look for include data export options that are compatible with common statistical software, secure data transfer mechanisms for sharing files among team members, audit trails for tracking changes and maintaining data integrity, granular user access controls to manage permissions at the form or field level, ease of use, allowing researchers to design and manage studies without heavy reliance on technical support. Support for complex studies with tools like data dictionaries and the ability to import-export metadata, integration of validated instruments to enhance the quality and consistency of data collection, and interactive training and support features that reduce the learning curve for new users. By considering these factors, researchers can ensure that their data collection processes are efficient, compliant, and ready for high-quality analysis.